In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable account deletion. If you want to permanently remove your Airtable account, I'll walk you through the process in a simple and clear way so you know exactly what to expect. Before you begin, keep in mind that deleting an account may remove your access to bases, workspaces, and other data connected to that profile. So it's a good idea to make sure you no longer need anything stored there. Start by opening Airtable and logging in to the account you want to delete. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one profile or use different login methods. Taking a moment to verify this can help prevent deleting the wrong account by mistake. Once you're logged in, click your profile icon, usually located in the upper corner of the screen, and go to your account settings. This is where Airtable keeps the main controls for your personal account, including security, preferences, and any available account management options. Inside account settings, look for the option related to deleting your account or closing it. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on updates to Airtable's interface, but it should be clearly connected to permanently removing the account. If you don't see it immediately, take your time and scan the available tabs or sections carefully. When you find the delete or close account option, read the warning message closely. This part is important because Airtable may explain what happens after deletion, such as losing access to your content, shared work, or account history. Make sure you fully understand the impact before continuing. If you're ready to proceed, follow the confirmation steps Airtable asks for. In many cases, platforms require an extra confirmation to make sure the request is intentional. Just carefully complete each prompt as it appears on screen. After that, do the final check and confirm that you want to permanently delete the account. This is usually the point of no return, so only continue if you're completely sure. Once the process is complete, check your email or your login status to confirm the account was deleted. You may receive a confirmation message, or you may notice that you can no longer sign in with that account. Either result helps verify that the deletion went through successfully. And that's it. That's how to delete an Airtable account safely and correctly.